Alex, and I'm here in Orlando at NPTI. I'm a personal trainer, and today we're going to be talking about how to properly do a barbell squat. Before we do any type of exercise or workouts, we always want to start with a warm-up. We want to get a good stretch in, check out the different types of flexibility that you have within your body. We're going to check for tight muscles, and we're going to see if you have the ability to do a squat. When we start to go into a barbell squat, we want to perform a body weight squat first, especially with a new client that you haven't met before. You don't know their capabilities. You don't know if they might get a little scared to do that squat because a lot of people think they'll fall backwards. So one of the safeties that you can implement is a bench for your client. I'm going to have Eric step in, and he's going to show you how we would use the bench. So I'm going to have him step over the bench so he can have a safety. It's going to show in front of him. It's really nice to put it in between the legs so he can see what he's going to sit on. When he's going to perform the squat, he's going to go straight down, keep a proud chest, touch the bench, and stand straight back up. We'll be checking for form and the ability to get down to that bench. Once he's comfortable, we'll move it and progress further into the squat with just free body weight without the bench and or kettlebells and dumbbells placed within the hands. Then we're going to go into the correct placement of a barbell once we've progressed past the body weight squat, kettlebells, and dumbbells. I'm going to have Eric step back in again, and I will place my imaginary bar, I just hit myself in the head, with on top of his shoulders. We're going to place the bar right here on his trapezes and have it paralleled with his shoulders. We don't want it sitting on the cervical spine. The hand placement should be right outside of the elbow. We want it to have a nice little wing look to it. When he's going to go down with his barbell, his head is going to be straight and proud. His chest will be proud. We're going to sit that butt back onto that bench, touch, and then go back up. While he's going down, he's going to be taking a deep breath in, so you have proper breathing technique, and when he comes back up, he's going to do a big exhale. We're going to go into the gym for the second part of this video, and I will be showing you with an actual barbell how to do this workout. Catch you in.